What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here. So I wanted to do a complete review of the new Legendary Marketer system. They just made some huge updates in April of 2020. So I just want to kind of go through, what they offer on both the consumer side and as the affiliate side. So I'm really excited to dive deep into it. I also want to let you guys know what Legendary Marketer has done for me and basically how it's changed my life. But guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to grow as an affiliate marketer, and of course, how to start an online business. So make sure to click subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's go and get started. All right, guys. So I just want to kind of go into my story and how Legendary Marketer helped me basically quit my 9-to-5 job. You can see here, I went from an engineering, so electrical engineer, to full-time affiliate marketer in YouTube. So in a nutshell, it's basically what they helped me do, okay? And you can see here, I started my channel in May 2019. Right here. Oh, that is lifetime. Let me go to last 365 days. So I officially started, I had this channel for a while, but I officially started in May 2019 right here. And you can see that around this time is when I quit my job, but my YouTube channel grew exponentially, which is how I grew my affiliate marketing business. But let me go into Legendary Marketer and how it's changed my life. Okay. So first of all, what it is, okay, if you don't know what it is, if you're looking for like a complete review, okay, there's a bunch of front end offers, and the main offer is the 15-day challenge. Okay, what this is, it's a 15-day business builder challenge where it takes you through how to start your first online business. Okay. Now, a lot of people get this mixed up. They're like, well, they see I'm an affiliate marketer and like they don't want to do affiliate marketing. Well, you don't really have to do affiliate marketing. They literally just show you the fundamentals of starting a business, right? Like the main things with a business, like what kind of skills you need to start a business. You can see here the number one secret to building a high profit business. That's day one. They talk about like the four main skills that you need for a high ticket business, like copywriting and sales and stuff like that. Well, they'll go through that in the challenge. I'll kind of go through a few of the days here. That's day two. Day three, they talk about how to actually build your business in 30 minutes. This is one of my favorite days here because you actually put it into action. Day four, let me see here. Day four is how to master the inner game of wealth. Okay. Day five is this one they just changed up, the big day of developing your business plan. They actually go through, and I think it's like a 2-hour webinar where they teach you how to start a business and how to get your first commission. So this is a really cool thing, guys. They actually just redid the 15-day challenge. If you've already taken it before, I recommend you do it again. I'm actually redoing the 15-day challenge right now just to know basically to see the changes they made. And day five has been amazing. Like they literally changed up the whole webinar, and they changed it up for since April 2020. So if you guys have taken it already, I highly recommend that you go through it again because they redid everything. Okay. But anyways, the main point of Legendary Marketer is to teach you the fundamentals of starting a business. Okay. This is the core offer. Okay. This is the core thing when you first get into the system. Okay. And like I said, it doesn't matter if you're doing affiliate marketing, your own coaching, if you have, like a makeup line, if you have like a fitness, it really doesn't matter. The main goal of Legendary Marketer is just to teach you how to start a business. Okay. Nothing like MLM, nothing scammy, nothing weird like that. Okay. A lot of people think that this could be like, oh, it's just like another pyramid scheme or something. No, not at all. This is literally just education. Literally, when people come to me and they want me to mentor them and they're completely new, I don't typically spend time with brand new people that don't know anything about how to start online business. So I'll send them here. They'll go through the challenge. They'll know the basics of how to start a business. Then they come back to me and then we can work from there. But this is basically what I send them to start as a complete beginner, because they literally go through into complete detail how to start a business. Okay. Now I want to go through and talk about some of the, I have this backwards. Sorry about that. But I want to go through and talk about some of the new products that they have. Let me see. The first one here, this one's really cool, guys. This is a free traffic bootcamp where they literally go through 30 days on how to get traffic. This is literally, I actually went through this live, but you're going to go through Alex Ford, which is, he's a beast when it comes to traffic. And you're going to get this whole bootcamp as a bonus, with signing up with Legendary Marketer. But basically, you can see here, there's over 30 days of videos and content on how to basically get free traffic, which is probably the lifeblood of your business is traffic. Okay, so that's one product you're going to get. Another one is this omni branding formula that I actually bought a few months ago, but basically it teaches you how to be omnipresent. Let's just say you make a YouTube video. He teaches you how to basically make a year worth of content within a week. It's mind blowing. Like literally, this is amazing. So this is another product that they have in here, Omni Branding Formula. Really, really cool product. Another one that he literally, they just came out with is this Easy Blog Walkthrough, where they literally show you how to start a blog. If you don't want to create a YouTube channel, you can go through and make this blog. So pretty cool here. And but like I said, the main core of this of Legendary Marketers going through the 15-day challenge. After the 15-day challenge, then you can choose to work with the coach or with the actual owner, which is David Sharpe. He's a 9-figure business owner. He's been doing this for, I think, like 15 years. He's an absolute monster and beast when it comes to online marketing, copywriting, everything like that, guys. He's a beast, and I've learned so much from him. So a little bit about my story. So you can see I started my business in May 2019, and then today's April 5th. At the point of shooting this video, I was able to quit my job beginning of March. So I've only been doing this a month full time, okay? But basically the way they helped me change my life is they taught me the right way to start an online business. A lot of people, they try to start this, online business thinking it's going to be easy. It's like fast money, blah, blah, blah. And that's not how it works, guys. And I promise that's not how it works. Okay. It takes a lot of work. And what I like about Legendary Marketers, they literally teach you how to do it the correct way and to do it for the long term. Okay. And I just want to show you some of my commission here. Just with this system alone, this is, you can make money as an affiliate for promoting Legendary Marketer, but it doesn't matter. Even if you don't promote them, they still teach you how to promote other products, your own product, stuff like that. For me, I promote Legendary because I love the product. I believe that anyone that goes through this will have success with their online business, okay? As long as they put in the work. You can see here in the last, today I'm a top affiliate, but in the last 30 days, I'm the top affiliate. My goal is to get, in the all-time where I'm like the top affiliate of this program. And that's my goal, guys, as an affiliate marketer myself. But as far as income, the income's been amazing, guys. Like I've been able to generate a ton of income. You can see in the last 30 days, that's pretty much a full-time income for a lot of people. And it's been consistent and it's literally growing, okay? And they teach you how to do this. I'm not going to go through how to actually do it, but I just want to show you kind of my results and my story on that, okay? So highly recommend, guys, if you're looking to start a passive income business, basically go through the system. Basically when you first start, you start on day one and you're going to schedule a call with the coach, okay? And they're going to walk you through this 15-day challenge, and they're going to literally help you get started, because I know when you first get started, it's overwhelming. There's so much stuff. So you're going to get a mentor and a coach to help you through the whole 15-day challenge, okay? Real big game changer, because a lot of people will just send them to a course and then you're on your own, right? No, you're actually going to get mentoring as you go through this 15-day challenge, okay? So I'm going to leave the link in the description below, but the way you find this link here is if you go to Passive Income Lifestyles /legend. Basically, you're going to go to this website here. We're going to enter your email. I'll kind of go through it with you guys. Once you enter your email here, you're going to go to this next page where I kind of talk about my story real quick, talk about how I quit my electrical engineering job, basically everything that I'm telling you now. So you can go through here. Once you go through here, guys, you're going to go to the sales page where then they tell you what Legendary Marketer is about, which I already told you in this video, so you don't really have to go through it, but you can watch it if you like. And then it's $7 to join, so you get the $15 system. And then if you choose to get some of the other products that they have, you can do that as well. But the main core offer for Legendary Marketer is the 15-day challenge, okay? Highly recommend if you're looking to start an online business, looking to start making passive income, looking to scale up your business now. Like, this is a great program, guys. And if you want to be an affiliate of Legendary Marketer, that's something you can talk about as you're going through the challenge. So yeah, I hope this video was of value to you guys. I hope that, you can go through the program and, start making some money, guys, especially now. This is where everything's going. A lot of people are looking to start a business online, and this is the place to start. If out of all the courses I've ever taken, this is the place I still recommend people to start, because there's so much good knowledge and so much good coaching that you're in good hands, guys, for sure. So let me make sure we're good on time here. Okay. So yeah, if you want to start with Legendary Marketer, guys, click on the first link in the description below, go through the challenge, start it. And then reach out to me if you have any questions. Join my Facebook group, guys. I'm trying to help you guys grow your online business. So make sure to connect with me as well as you go through the challenge. I'm here to help you guys. So anyways, subscribe to the channel, guys. I hope that you found a ton of value in this video. Comment, like, all that good stuff. It helps me grow on YouTube. And we'll talk soon. God bless.